if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y.
Yes, sir. So yesterday when I was explaining the points, Hasni, this is one of the model. Like they'll give 4 vertices and one of them they didn't give some variables they gave us. Okay. So we have to use the point called diagonals bisect each other. That is midpoint of the first diagonal. We have to equate it to the midpoint of the second diagonal.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if we do that, we'll get the answer. So for that, Hasni, simply I'll first draw a rough figure and
Okay, sir.
so they said that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So it's a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. The vertices are 1, comma 2 firstly, 4, comma Y, x, comma 6, 3, comma x, comma 6, 3, comma 5 has been. Okay, has been.
Okay, sir.
So simply we need to use the diagonals property, that is diagonal of what is the point here is Hasmi in parallelogram. This is a symbol of parallelogram Hasmi, two parallel lines and GMB, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Means what is the meaning is Hasmi? The midpoint of both the diagonals is own. Okay, means midpoint of diagonal A B AC is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
is it okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
So now we know already midpoint of any 2 points is given as midpoint of line segment joining 2 points is given as formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This will apply it for AC and BD separately and we'll equate it as.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So AC midpoint is, if you see these are the points you have to observe us. So x1 plus x2 means 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus x by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm directly writing 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2 Hasni. This is equal to the other diagonal BD Hasni. Can you tell similarly?
Yes. Uh,
X1 plus x2 by 2 for BD Hasni. B and D. So B point is x1 y1 and D point is x2 by 2.
okay, sir.
So it will be
4 plus
4 plus 3 by 2 and
y plus 5 by 2.
is Hasni. So now we'll equate parallelly Hasni. That is next step 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 8 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Now we'll equate it correspondingly Hasni. Correspondingly means this x with x coordinate and y with the y coordinate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll get the answer as Hasni if we equate it 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Now cross multiplication Hasni 2 into bracket open 1 plus x is equal to 7 into 2 14. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now 2 distributed inside Hasni or you can take right side also 14 by 2 also you can. Your convenience also. So 2 1 is 2 plus 2x is equal to 14 Hasni. 2x is equal to 2 will go that side. It will become 14 minus 2 12 Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So x is equal to 12 by 2 which is 6. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. So similarly now y coordinate I am equating Hasni. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 Hasni. Okay. We
Okay,
can
sir.
write directly 8 by 2 as 4 also because you can cut it. Before 1 means 7 by 2, we cannot cut, I didn't do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is 4 by 1 Hasni. 4 by 1 means again cross multiplication. 2 into 4, 8 it will become. Y plus 5 is equal to. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
4
sir.
into 2,
No.
8. Now y will get means simply 5 will go that side. 8 minus 5.
3.
How much Hasni? 8 minus 5.
3.
Yes, Hasni. So these are the values of x and y, Hasni, which they asked us to find. So find x comma y. This side. So
Oh,
x is one of the value in one of the point Hasni, and y is in some another point Hasni.
okay, sir.
Okay. Seventh one. We'll go to the seventh one. Actually, I deleted Hasni this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So it's in some of the questions of this model Hasni, they'll give x and y in one of the point only.
Okay, sir.
Then also same we should do. We have in that case Hasni, same like be one of the side both values will be there and another side x and y will.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, we'll equate it and we'll find out the unknown points, unknown variables.
Okay, sir.
That's me. So simply you have to remember midpoint of the diagonal 1 is equal to midpoint of the diagonal 2 for this type of questions.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Seventh one Hasni, once you read the question Hasni.
Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B 1 comma 4.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, if I take a circle Hasni, for that they said that find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of the circle. So I'm drawing a diameter of circle Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So AB is the diameter. Now we know that center is nothing but diameter. Like they said, find the coordinates of the point A. So this one we need to find out this Hasni. X1 and Y1 I am marking it. A. Okay. Is it okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
And now what did they say is Hasni, find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of the circle where center whose center is 2 comma minus 3. Center will be somewhere in the middle. Let us take the center as O Hasni, which is 2 comma, how much they said? Minus
Minus
3.
3, sir. Yes.
And B is 3. B is 1 comma 4 Hasni. Means x2 comma y2 is 1 comma
4.
4. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So simply we know that center is nothing but midpoint of the diameter, no Hasni, of the circle.
Yes, sir.
We know that center of the circle is nothing but midpoint of
Diameter.
diameter AB. Because we know center is only exactly half point, no?
Yes, sir.
Diameter AB. So that's why simply we need to apply the midpoint formula and we'll equate it to the center which is already given. So we know the midpoint formula now Hasni, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is already given p x comma y which is the center. But here I took the point as O. Center I took it as O Hasni. So I am writing it as O. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now what I will do is Hasni, this x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, I'll apply it for A and B. And I'll equate it to the center which is already given 2 comma minus. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So what I will do now, x1 plus x2 by 2 means x1 plus 1 by 2 comma y1 plus 4 by 2
4 by 2.
is equal to 0. Center is 2 comma minus 3. Once check Hasni, you have any doubt. I just applied the midpoint formula for A and B Hasni and equated it to the center which is already given.
Oh, okay, sir.
Like there will be two models Hasni. They'll ask either to find out the midpoint by giving both A and B, or they already gave the midpoint here and they're asking one of the vertex A, one of the point.
Okay, sir.
So this is the second model where center is already given, that is midpoint is already given, and we need to find out one of x1, y1, one of the point.
Okay, sir.
Or we may ask B also by giving A. Then x2, y2 will be unknown.
Oh, okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasmi, still?
No, sir. Clarified.
Yes, Hasmi. So we will just equate no correspondingly, Hasmi. This with this and the y coordinate with y coordinate.
Okay, sir.
So what I'll write, Hasmi, now x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, same like before question now from here, is equal to 2, and y1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasmi?
No, sir.
No, cross multiply it, Hasmi, simply. We will get the answer. So 2 will go that side. X1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. So x1 is equal to 4 minus 1, Hasmi. X1 is equal to 3.
3.
Similarly, y1 plus 4 is equal to 2 will go that side and multiply with minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Y1 is equal to minus 6 minus 4, Hasmi. Y1 is equal to minus 10.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
So finally, Hasmi, x1 comma y1, the one which they're asking us to find out the vertex A, point A. We got it as a x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma minus 10, Hasmi. Just for confirmation, once you check the back answer, Hasmi.
Okay.
So point A is 3 comma minus 10, Hasmi.
Yes, sir. 3 comma minus 2.
Okay, Hasmi. If you get any doubt, Hasmi, simply you can just check by taking A as x1, y1, and b1. We have to find the midpoint of it using x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We have to get the O point.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you get that, then it is correct in exam. If you have any doubt,
Okay, sir.
this Hasmi. So next one, Hasmi. Eighth question, very important, Hasmi. Eighth one. Once you read the question, Hasmi.
If
Eighth one.
Okay, sir. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is 3 by 7. AB and P lies on the line segment AB.
Yes, Hasni. So A and B are given, Hasni. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, Hasni. So what is the meaning of that is, like somewhere A is here, Hasni, minus 2 comma minus 2, and B is 2 comma minus 4, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then P somewhere will be in between A and B, Hasni. In between means it can be anywhere. I am marking it little closer to A because reason is, Hasni, they said AP is 3 by 7 AB. 3 by 7 is a proper fraction, Hasni. Means 3 by 7 AP, they gave it as AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So it's like less than half. 3 by 7 means, Hasni, less than half. So it is closer to A. Means if it is 3.5 out of 7 means exactly half, Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir.
3 by 7 means it is little lesser than half, so I mark a little closer to A.
Okay, sir.
So Hasmi, now how to get the ratio here is, you have to remember like this, Hasmi. AP is 3 times AB means, now can I cross multiply it like this, Hasmi? 7 AP is equal to 3 AB. Just I cross multiplied it, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
Now what I will do is, Hasmi, 7 AP is equal to 3 into AB. I am writing it as AP plus PB. AB is nothing but AP plus PB only, no husband.
Yes, sir.
Full length. AP is part and PB is second part. Both if you add it, you will get AB.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasmi, 7 AP is equal to, this will distribute it as 3 AP plus 3 PB. Why I am doing all this, you will understand as in the next step.
Okay.
Okay. So AP with 3 AP like terms will bring left side. So it will become 7 AP minus 3 AP. 7 AP minus 3 AP is equal to 3 PB Hasmi. 7 AP minus 3 AP is nothing but 4 AP. So AP by PB is nothing but 3 by 4 Hasmi. Now just cross multiply. So why we did here is Hasmi, they didn't give the ratio originally. Now we got the ratio. AP by PB is 3 by 4 means AP is 3 parts, PB is 4 parts.
Yes, sir.
Before they gave 3 by 7. AB they give, but AB is full length. That's why we cannot take 3 is to 7 as a ratio.
Okay, sir.
We have to know that AP and PB parts. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Or Hasni, if this you feel finding out ratio this way is difficult, you feel Hasni, what we can do is simply they said AP is 3 by 7 of AB means what entire AB if it is divided into 7 parts Hasni, 3 parts in that is AP Hasni. So remaining 4 parts will be automatically PB.
Yes, sir.
4 by 7 AB. PB will be automatically 4 by 7 AB Hasni. So if total is 7, first part is 3, second part will be 4. That way
Okay.
also you can tell Hasni direct.
Okay, sir.
So ratio will become 3 is to 4 Hasni finally here. Means AP is to PB is nothing but that is M is to N ratio is nothing but 3 is to 4. This point P x comma y is the one which we are finding out, which divides the line segment joining AP in the ratio 3 is to
4.
4. So Hasni, any doubt in this? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm checking if I have doubt. I have no doubt, sir, for now.
Okay, Hasni. Actually, easy way is this way only, Hasni. If you can imagine it directly, total is 7 parts. Out of that, AP is 3 parts. 3 by 7 of AB, they said.
Okay, sir.
So, remaining 4 parts will be PB. So, ratio will be, we require ratio in the form of M is to N, where M is the first, the part from P to A, and N is the part from P to B. So, 3 is to 4 is the ratio.
Oh, okay, sir.
So students will do one mistake as the ratio, they'll take 3 is to 7, that is wrong. 7 is the complete because 3 by 7 of AB they said.
Oh, okay, sir.
AB is the full length. Okay. So we
Okay.
need to find out the PB part. PB part will be 4 parts, AB is 3 parts, total 7 it. So ratio will be 3 is to 4.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll simply apply the formula using ratio 3 is to 4 and x1 y1, x2 y2. Firstly, we'll get the point P which is dividing. They're asking finally find the point P that divides the line segment AB.
Okay, sir.
So I'm deleting this Hasmi and I'll do freshly here only.
Okay, sir.
So eighth one ratio we got finally Hasmi point A x1 y1. I deleted that one Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
A x1 y1 is Hasmi minus 2 comma minus 2. B x2 y2 is 2 comma minus 4 Hasmi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And they're asking finally P x comma y which divides line segment joining AB in the ratio 3 is to 4. I found out this before us. 3 is to 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So P x comma y formula is what has the mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by
M plus.
m plus.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll apply the formula as we. So mx2 means m is 3, x2 is 2. 3 to the 6, I wrote it clearly on top. So 3 into 2, 6 plus nx1. n is 4 has me, x1 is minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8. So it becomes 6 minus 8 has me.
Okay, sir.
And 3 plus 4, 7. Now it has me m by 2. M by 2 means m into y2. 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 3 into y2 is minus 4. Minus 12 has to be plus n by 1. 4 into minus 2 minus by n plus n 7. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 7 has to be, and minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 by 7. So has to be once check has to be have any doubt in this. So this is our required point has to be. They didn't give the ratio 3 to 4 directly. We found out it in previous page has to be, and then we are apply after that it's the same.
Okay, sir. No doubt,
Yes,
sir.
has to be. Yes, has to be. Just for confirmation also check the back answer has to be. Minus 2 comma minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7.
Yes, sir. Correct only.
Okay, so ninth one has me I'm doing. Actually delete it has me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you read the question has me ninth one.
Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts.
It's Hasni. So Hasni they said that we did previously trisection. Now 4 equal parts means there should be 3 points on them Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Like this. Then only 4 parts will get.
Okay, sir.
Means if 3 points are there on the line segment joining AB, then only 4 equal parts will get Hasni. Actually.
Oh, okay, sir.
AP is one part, PQ is second part, QR is third part, RB is the fourth part.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
So now Hasni, because of that reason, if AP is one part, this entire things will become 3 parts. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because reason is total is 4 parts, 4 equal parts. No.
Yes, sir.
So now what we can understand from this, P divides AB in the ratio. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3 Hasni indirectly.
Oh, okay, sir.
Are you sure Hasni have you understood this? Because they said that find the coordinates of the points which divide AB in the into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts means we should have 3 points on that line segment AB.
Okay, okay.
So I marked those 3 points. Now P, if we particularly want to find out P, we want to know we have to know the ratio in which P divided AB.
Okay.
P divided AB in the ratio 1:3 remaining parts because AP is to PB.
Yes,
AP
okay.
is one part, remaining P to B is remaining 3 parts. So 1:3, total 4 parts. No?
Yes, sir.
Like that. So Hasni, P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. So simply to find out P Hasni, we need to apply that section formula for A x1 y1 and B x2 y2.
Okay.
So what are the A x1 y1 values Hasni? No, I'm writing clearly first Q Hasni. Q divides, can you tell now Q divides AB in the ratio how much Hasni? Similarly. And R divides AB in the ratio.
1:3.
Which one 1:3 Hasni?
So Q.
Hasni, Q exactly is at the center, no?
Okay.
So this side 2 parts and this side also remaining 2 parts. So how much Hasni? We need to check finally AB, AQ is to
QB.
QB. Okay.
Okay.
So AQ is to QB. Till here 2 parts, till here 2 parts. So ratio will be how much Hasni?
2 is
2
to
is to
2 is to 2.
2 Hasni. And finally R divides AB in the ratio till here and this one Hasni. Should be able to tell Hasni. Just count the parts Hasni till from A to R and R to B. How many parts are there A to R?
One.
How Hasni?
Sorry, sir. One. Two parts are in between them.
Total parts from A to R Hasni using the points in between. Total parts.
Total A to B, right, sir?
A to R Hasni.
A to R, 1, 2, 3, sir.
A to P is one part, P to Q, then Q to R. Total three parts are there from A to R.
Yes, sir.
Then R to B,
R to B,
one part.
1 point.
So total
3 is to.
ratio will be 3:1 Hasni.
Okay.
Means what I'm trying to tell is Hasni, if I separately draw the figure here, with P separately, Q separately, R separately, you have to imagine like P divides AB in the ratio 1:3 Hasni.
Okay.
Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2 because this side two parts, this side two parts, or 2:2 is nothing but 1:1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because 2 if you cut it, you will get 1:1, or simply you can for to find out Q Hasni, you can use simply midpoint of AB because when M and N are equal, it is called midpoint.
Okay, sir.
Then R finally we are finding out the points which divides line segment joining AB Hasni. Okay, R is away from A, three parts Hasni, and R to B it is one part. So R divides AB in the ratio 3:1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we'll just apply the section formula three times Hasni now to find out P1s, to find out Q1s, to find out R1s.
Okay, sir.
So to find out Q, I'll simply use midpoint Hasni because the reason is M and N are same. 2:2 means it is nothing but 1:1. 1:1 means it is nothing but midpoint.
1.
Okay. For Q, simply we'll use midpoint formula for A and B. Hasni, we'll get the Q. If you use section formula also by taking M as M and N both as 2 and 2 or 1 and 1, you'll get the same answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So now first I am finding out A x1 y1 Hasni is given as how much? -2 comma 2 Hasni. B x2 y2 is given as 2 comma how much Hasni? 2 comma 8, no?
Yes, sir.
2 comma 8. Now we are finding out P Hasni using ratio 1:3. So we already know section formula Hasni. Section formula, the formula which I am using here is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So ratio for P I am finding out Hasni. For P means I have to use m as 1 and n as 3.
Okay.
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 1 2 is a 2 is Hasni. mx2 plus nx1 plus 3 minus 2 6 by m plus n. M plus n is 1 plus 3 4 Hasni. M by 2 plus n by 1. 1 m by 2 is 1 8 is 8 plus 6 Hasni. 14. 14 by 4. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
I just applied the formula Hasni.
Okay, sir.
And next term is 1 into 8 plus n x 1 3 2 is 6 8 plus 6 14. 14 by m plus n is 1 plus 3 4.
Okay.
So it will become 2 minus 6 is minus 4 by 4 Hasni, which is minus 1 because so many sums we did Hasni. I'm directly writing. So it is 7 by 2. 2 7 is 2 2. Once check Hasni, any doubt? I just applied the formula Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So now Hasni, for Q Hasni, it's 1:1 ratio or 2:2 ratio. So simply we can use the midpoint formula for A and B. So what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So these are the points. So x1 plus x2 means -2 plus 2 by 2. Hasni, okay.
Okay, sir.
And -2 and y1 plus y2 is 2 plus 8 by 2 Hasni. Which is -2 plus 2 is 0 by 2, 0 Hasni. 2 plus 8, 10 by 2, 5 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now finally R I am finding out Hasni. R is nothing but same. R to find out R Hasni ratio we need to use as 3:1 for the same points A and B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So ratio mx2, 3 into 2, 6 plus next one, 1 into minus 2. So 6 minus 2 by m plus n has 3 plus 1, 4. And m by 2, 3 into 8, 24 plus n by 1, 1 into 2, 2 by m plus n, 4. Now r is equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by 4 has 1 has me. Okay, has me.
Okay, sir.
So finally r is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4 by 4, 1. And 24 plus 2, 26 by 4 has me. If you cut it 26 by 4, 2 13s are 2, 2s are 13 by 2. So 1 comma 13 by 2 will get us.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, just for confirmation, once you check all the 3 points Hasni, P comma Q comma R. So these are the coordinates of the points Hasni which divide the line segment joining A and B in the ratio into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means total 3 points should be there on the line segment Hasni. Those 3 points are P, Q, R. P divides in the ratio 1:3, Q divides in the ratio equal 2:2 or 1:1 or simply midpoint. R divides the ratio line joining AB in the ratio 3:1.
Okay, sir.
Any of the ratio parts if you add, you will get that 4 equal parts. 1:3 means 1 plus 3, 4. 2:2 means 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. But second one, since it's 2:2, you can write it as 1:1 because midpoint it will become. So I didn't do, simply I wrote x1 plus x2 by 2 and plus y2.
Okay, sir.
That's Hasni. So Hasni, once check Hasni, PQ points backside. P is -1 comma 7 by 2 Hasni. Q is 0 comma 5 and R is 1 comma 13 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Shall I delete this Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. All the 3 are correct, Hasni?
Yes, sir. All the three are correct.
Okay, Hasni. 10th one, Hasni. Finally, once you read the question, Hasni, 10th one.
Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, comma 0, 4, comma 5, minus 1, comma 4, minus 2, comma 1. Take it in order. Hint. Area of a rhombus is half. Product of its diagonals.
Yes, Hasni. So, Hasni, simply area of rhombus is given as formula, Hasni. Half into product of the diagonals, Hasni. Okay. What is the meaning of that is, if you find out the length of AC and length of BD, you will get the diagonal lengths, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Once you get the diagonal length, simply if you do diagonal one, AC is the diagonal one, Hasni here. And BD is the diagonal 2. Okay, is it okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So now simply area of rhombus is nothing but half into product of the diagonals.
Oh,
Means half into D1 into D2 Hasni.
okay, sir.
Okay. So to find out D1 Hasni, we need to simply apply the distance formula for A and C because D1 is AC. AC length, no?
Yes, sir.
So here order all the points are given in order, Hasni. These points. I'm writing A point is nothing but A is how much Hasni? 3 comma 0.
Zero.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And C is nothing but third point Hasni. C -1 comma 4. Because they said in an order. In an order means second point is B, third point is C, fourth point is D. So our required diagonal is AC. AC is first point and third point.
Okay, sir.
So I'm finding out the AC distance Hasni. We already know distance formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x2 y2 is C and x1 y1 is A Hasni
Okay,
for
sir.
these 2 points. So already distance formula we used many times Hasni. So I'm directly writing -1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square Hasni. So AC is equal to -1 minus 3 is -4 Hasni. -4 whole square is plus 16 plus 4 minus 0 is 4 Hasni. 4 square is 16.
Okay.
So 16 plus 16 has to be 32. Now Hasni prime factorization of 32 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, no Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason Hasni, here some 2's are paired. So that the ones that are paired Hasni will bring it outside the root Hasni. Okay?
Okay.
Because square root finding that only will do, no?
Yes, sir.
This two paired, this two paired. The one that is not paired, we'll write it inside only. So the root 32 is nothing but from this total 4 2's Hasni, one 2 will come from first pair and another 2 will come from second pair. And one 2 will be inside the square root like that.
So it's 4 root 2.
Yes, Hasni. So now finally BD. Similarly, we'll find out the length of BD now also.
Oh,
So point B is how much diagonal BD I want to find out with. B is how much 4 comma 5 Hasni and D is minus 2 comma minus 1.
okay.
So BD length again I am using distance formula. So BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 minus 4 whole square Hasni plus y2 minus 11 whole square minus 1 minus 5 whole square. We used the formula many times Hasni, so I am directly writing.
Okay, sir.
Okay Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. BD is equal to Hasni. Minus 2 minus 4 is how much Hasni? Minus 6, no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 6 whole square is 36 Hasni. Plus minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 again 36. Minus 6 whole square is 36. So root 72 you will get Hasni. If you do the prime factorization, you will get it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now here 1 2 is paired and 1 3 is paired. So we can bring the 1 2 outside and 1 3 outside and 1 2 will be inside the root like that.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 6 root
6
2
root.
Hasni. Any doubt Hasni?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay Hasni. Now finally we'll just apply the area formula Hasni. Area of rhombus there Hasni.
Okay,
Area
sir.
of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Area of rhombus is equal to half d1 d2. D1 is the first length Hasni AC, which is half into 4 root 2 into 6 root. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Now 2 and 4 we can cut it now. Hasni. 2 ones are so Hasni 2 ones are 2
2, sir.
2. So we'll get 2 into 6, 12 into root 2 into root 2. 12 into 2 Hasni is 24 square units. Okay, Hasni? Units, square units, no Hasni, area units, that's why we wrote square units. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how I did, I think the last part I am explaining once again, Hasni. So area of rhombus is half d1 d2, half into diagonal 1 length we got it as 4 root 2 Hasni and diagonal 2 length we got it as 6 root 2. AC and BD are the diagonal 1 and diagonal 2.
Okay, sir.
I just substituted it there Hasni and then I just found out the value 2 and 4 I have cut it and then I got 2 times there and then root 2 into root 2 will become 2 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Root 4, no, root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square you can tell or root 4 you can tell which is 2 only.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the 2 here already one more 2 is there. 2 2 is a 4 and here 6 is there. 2 6 are 24. Or you can do first multiplication of 2 and 6 12 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. 12 into 2 24. That way also you can take.
Okay.
So any doubt in the final 24 square roots, square units Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. So 12 into 2 which is 24 square units Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So with this chapter textbook sums are completed. Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So just for confirmation, also check the back answer Hasni 24
Yes, sir.
24 square. Okay. So any doubt, Hasni, in some?
No, sir.
Okay. Hasni. So this chapter is easy or hard, Hasni?
It's easy only, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Only limited formulas, Hasni, 6 marks for sure. 6 marks ago. So it's
Okay.
very easy to score, Hasni. That's why you could just a little bit revise it correct. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni.